We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise.
Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? I know you guys been waiting for my birthday vlog. It's been a while, guys, but I just got this video. Actually, this one that you're seeing, I did it myself, but the rest of video for the party, I just received them, you know, a few days ago, and I am not doing okay, so that's the reason why I did not get to post them. But this is me on my way to my party, guys, and I did have fun. It was lots and lots of fun. I had lots of fun. Yeah. So yes, guys, before you guys go down into this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Why are you still watching the video without subscribing? Please, you need to hit that subscribe button, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. So yes, girl was having fun on her way there. Then we're gonna get a little piece of it. So guys, I want to give a big thanks to my friends, guys. They make me have a lot of fun. Like, everything was well put together. Alright, just a share. Watch good they pull up. So guys, y'all don't know me in person, but I'm very shy. Like, me is a shy person. Yes, someone couldn't even hold still.
Exactly.
They take a good picture and stuff like that. I was laughing the whole time. They was asking me like, why are you shy? You know, that's just how I am. You know, when they behind the camera, I am good. Me I know about nobody, but I know about myself. Not feeling in my thing. I love a song, I love the song, I love the song here. You see, when it comes to my birthday, nothing and nobody can cut my spirit, because guess what, girl is going to turn up either way. Yes, I am going to turn up either way. Nothing is gonna cut my spirit or my vibes. I'm gonna big up all of my hosts them, all of the DJ them, and everybody who come out. Come support me. If you know me, you know that I take my birthday serious. Like, listen to me, people. You don't have to give me nothing for Christmas. You don't have to do nothing for my Valentine's Day. But you see, when it comes to my birthday, me go all out. I will spend any amount of money for my birthday, for myself, because the day that belongs to me. And nothing and nobody can spoil it. Yes, when it comes to my birthday, I'll spend that cash out on my birthday. I don't even think about it tomorrow. Yes. And I have fun regardless. So yes, people, more big up Bugsy Bam Bam right here, and DJ Popsy just walk past, guys. Big up yourself, Bugsy Bam Bam. You know the love is real. You understand? Yes, people. Don't know Bugsy Bam Bam, my friend. Big bad DJ in Atlanta, people. Yeah. It was all about the love, guys. It was all about the love. And yes, I had fun. Oh no, no music I play, so girl have to do voiceover, because I know one next thing I put up the vlog, and the next thing you see prop copyright. No, we can't afford that, right? We can't afford that. So I just go and take in my look at annoying voice. You understand? Go and take in my annoying voice. While I don't watch the video and see what I go on, you know? Big up Southside Elite. Time come through my party. Big up myself, Southside. Yeah, man, me have to big up Southside Elite, because him come on my party, come show him love, and we really do appreciate it. People don't really know how much these things mean to me. And guys, guess what? I still accept birthday present. So for all who never get forgiven a gift for my birthday, see the cash app right there, so yeah. The cash app, I have the super chat down the bottom, so I'm going to spin the cash app right there, so. I don't can just cash at me same way because girls still a celebrate. The right seems wrong and the wrong seems right. Big up yourself, Bugsy Bam Bam, Bugsy in a mood, you know. Eyes can see, my heart won't see. That's why I believe in love.
I seen Jasmine come out in something short. Big up yourself, Jasmine. Other shots. Thomas was looking here. I don't like that.
When you want to talk about money and you ain't got none, girl, you know, so you're broke. Yes, people. This is Delirang's son, otherwise known as DJ Popsy Rank. Yes, people. And he's also the Marco official DJ. Yes, people. He was rocking some music, guys. You don't know. The party was nice. I had fun. I had so much fun, guys. I had so much fun. So big up yourself, Popsy Rank. You know, this was the early part of the party, people. You know, when I wait for party crowd up are full up for enjoy ourselves. You know, they have two parties at once. Some people come at my party and leave and go to the next party. Yeah, but I have fun. It was all about the fun and the love. And as I tell you, it's my birthday, so nothing or no one can ever spoil it. You see me? But I have fun. I had fun. I had lots of fun. I was just tired and kind of exhausted because I had a long day. Trust me, anybody know who keep parties? No say. You see, by the time the night boils down after the party, you see when the night boils down, you're tired, you're beat down because the amount of stuff where you have to do. Trust me, it's not easy. You know? So big up yourself. Popsy, thank you for rocking the night. A part of the night also. You know? Yes, people, let's get more down into the video. You really reached so far and not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You're free to subscribe? No man, come do better. Come on, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Korgudas. Tell a friend, and guys, you could also go over to my sister channel, which is Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. Yes, Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. The link will be in the description box down below. Yes, people, all you have to do is click on the link and it's taking us straight to our channel. And also, guys, you have to check out my next channel, which is C&G Daily Updates. If you want to get something to laugh about, like laugh your belly out, or you want to know some update about something we want, you just go right over there, over C&G Daily Updates. You understand? And yes, that's the place to be. So, guys, yes, people. Listen to me, you know, when you know you have good DJ party, when you hear them drop some old tune and it rock the place. Yo, listen to me, look how the DJ them have fun, people. I say, you know, vibes nice, you know. Hey, Chakabelly. Right, who dance them call Chakabelly? Hey, guys, run them up, them a telephone. Them a call down the rain for the girl them. Them a lightning and thunder the girl them. Get jiggy girl. Go the mental. Go the natural. Go the mental. Go the rep squad. Hey. Hey, listen to me. Guys, we got them two DJ here. Mental and natural. They are rep squad. Them a brother. Yo, big up on yourself. Two real one too. Another business, you know. Yeah, big up on yourself. Mental and natural, you know. They are from Rep Squad Sound, guys. You put in Atlanta, you can book them too. Anybody in my book, always good DJs. So we outside, east side, west side, outside. Tell the car wash, bring a couple pound now. Guys. Me wish YouTube never did have copyright. Because y'all be rocking this music with me. And for all who come from a live tonight and show to the donation, even if you not donate and come out, big up on yourself. I mean, not everybody can donate, but by watching the video, it's still supporting my channel. By watching the ads, it's still supporting my channel. You know, sometimes some people don't get no ads. That's it no matter. You still come, you still give me a 1 views. Pick up on yourself. You understand? And for those who could not make it on my birthday night, alright, big up on yourself, because I know most of them are going to make this year to watch this video. You understand? I know it's been a long wait. It's actually 2 weeks after my party. But guys, me just get the video them. I actually have to ask for them, you know. Yes. But I just got them, so put them together and say that you guys have it, because I know a lot of you guys say, oh, y'all waiting, y'all can't wait to see the birthday vlogs. Me can't wait to post it for still no reaction. So you see me, people, and you see all of them flyers I want to see a post in our party. You come in Atlanta, you can support them, because I know them come and support me thing. You can support them. Yes, people, all of these flyers y'all see showing, you guys could support these. Well, them party are gone already, you know. Most of them gone already, guys. So you see me late, but it have one that's not gone yet, which is the one for September 18, and then you have one for September the 24. You just support them, guys. If you're in Atlanta, don't be afraid to support them.
We don't like push back this. But big up the people that can't defend themselves. Any which part them come from, any which part them are going everywhere. We can't tell us someone.
People, yes, right here we have Negos British. Yes, people, Negos British, the suit god, Negos British, guys. Big bad DJ Atlanta. So people, like all of my DJs, I didn't have any complaint. You know, them keep the vibes going. You see me? Them keep the vibes going. Guys, it have more man at my party than woman. It have more men was there than woman at my party. You see me? Which it doesn't matter. You understand? Once we get the support, that's all that matters. You see me? Yeah. I don't like woman either. I like the niggas them. Some like them. Because guess what? Ching. I don't know what I mean. So anyway. I must laugh and I said the girl are crazy. You know, she crazy. But yes, people, I had fun. When you still not subscribe, what are you waiting for? Come on, guys. Come on, people. Come on. More want to subscribe to the channel. More want to share the channel. And guys, you still haven't watched the Burna Man yet? What are you waiting for? The Burna Man part 1, part 2, and 3 is out, you know. And you really don't watch it yet? What are you waiting for to watch it? You need to watch it, man, and share it and tell a friend about the Burna Man. Because guess what, you know, a big, bad, nice, bad, serious, curry good as I go on with, you know. Come on, people. More want to go watch the Burna Man after this. All of you who don't watch it, more want to go watch it, and more want to leave a comment on the video. And guys, if you don't want to understand the whole series, you have to start watching from part 1. Because it wouldn't really make no sense if you don't leave from all the way. Go watch part 3 and don't watch part 1. So I want to say a big thanks to each and every one of you guys who come out to watch this premiere. You and everybody, big up on yourself. Yes, you, I am talking. Yes, you same one who they watch the video. Yeah. Big up yourself. If you reach this far in this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you really waiting for? Guys, only they play with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. And click the subscribe button. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for watching. You can still leave happy birthday down below, you know. Nothing wrong with that. Bless up on yourself. Bye, God.